All right, straight into it, no games. Listen, the more that you guys trade, the more that your money's going to be exposed into the markets. Let me explain what this means. You have to understand that trading is a probability game at the end of the day. The fact that trading is a probability game means that you don't know really if you're going to win or lose, honestly. You just want to put yourself in the best probability in order to win or lose. So, let me go ahead and explain to you guys what I mean by this. So, you guys are want to go ahead and find your key levels, and it's a probable chance to detect the market when you identify key levels. So that's definitely your base chance to increase your win rate. But on top of that, though, when you guys start doing stuff like not playing in your key levels, and you guys start just over trading, trying to play whatever levels you think are valid on smaller time frames, that is when you will start blowing your account, and that is when you're going to start struggling with the trading journey. So what I'm gonna need you guys to do is draw your higher time frame levels. You guys can go ahead and just start on the daily or something like that. I advise playing high probability stuff that already have all-time highs created. You guys can go ahead and just draw multiple zones again. I like to draw zones where recent price is at the very top, and then a recent price at the most recent low. And then from there, I like to go ahead and just repeatedly draw zones and just draw in between the confluences. So I see a zone here at this bottom here as well. And as you guys can see, that's a trade I decided to take, and I decided to I see another zone up here as well with this bottom and topping out as well. So boom. So these are the zones here, as you guys can see. Extremely easy to draw your zones. Once again, not too difficult. There might be a zone here, but we'll go ahead and we'll see about that by chance. But even now, it's gonna be perfectly fine. We do know that there's gonna be some type of price breakout coming in, and you guys can use the smaller time frame to detect the levels between here once price starts developing itself a little bit. So yeah, so it's extremely good, guys. Um, Definitely not too difficult at all. We'll go ahead and we'll draw a zone here as well, just so you guys can see here. Um, so yeah, it's extremely easy for you guys to draw your levels, and so after you guys do that, you need to just get off of the charts. Get off. You guys see what these are? These are alerts. Draw your levels. Right click your screen. Click on add alert. Get off. Don't draw it exactly near where you guys are trying to enter, but I advise you guys to just go ahead and once you guys have your zones drawn out, I like to say I'm looking for a entry for the breakout for the bottom down here below this zone, correct? So below this zone here. So say I'm looking for this breakout. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna probably put an alert right here, or even maybe a little higher, I'll say. And I'll go ahead and I'll just put once per bar or once per minute, or you guys can do whatever you guys want as well. You guys can also click outside of it and click on this, and then you guys can go ahead and just put on once per whatever you guys want. I have Heikinashi on, so if you guys don't have Heikinashi on, it'll say something a bit different here. You guys will see this. Okay. So my apologies here. I do have black screen. So this is what you guys are going to see here. If you do have the single candle, you're going to see every time. Go ahead and just set your alerts to every time and just get off the charts and just leave it alone from there. So it's extremely easy. So yeah, that's all you need to do. Set your alerts up, get off the charts, don't touch it. Because the more that you trade, the more that you guys are obviously going to be exposing your money. The goal of trading is to use as little money as possible or risk as little money as possible in order to make a large profit. That is the goal of trading. A lot of people get into the habit of just over trading and just constantly throwing money into the market. I know I have a lot of day traders out there, but a lot of day traders start to realize over time that day trading is not really mentally sustainable, and that's not really something that you guys want to be doing long term, honestly, in my opinion. So I really like to be a higher time frame swing traders. That's what I like to do personally. That's what I found success in, and I like to go off for the higher time frame levels. Now, you guys can obviously scalp in between the real ranges if you guys end up finding tops and bottoms, but to me, that's personally just not worth it, and that's just not something I'm interested in. I like to play off of the real levels on the higher time frames and just really take it from there and catch multiple points, really, and just ignore the smaller moves. So that's what I like to do, guys. So I'm not out here trading every single day. I like to actually stay off. I like to just set my alerts just like this. Boom, set alerts. We'll do once per bar, and then I'm gonna go ahead and just scroll this up here. We can do once per minute or something like that. Once per bar, once per minute, whatever. Once per minute, and then I'll set my alerts here for Hikanashi, and boom, my alerts are gonna go ahead and be on. Or if you guys have normal candles on, you guys can just set it to every time as well. So yeah, stay off of the charts. Don't be touching it every single day. Why are you trading every day? A lot of you are trading every day because you're trying to run up some bread. Stop. That's really hurting you, and that's really hurting your account. All you're doing is slowing your progress down, and you're just delaying the amount of ammo that you're gonna have for the real plays. Well, you guys need to be a sniper in the trees. You need to stop trying to just take every single trade out there possible and start waiting for the real opportunities, because you're going to start realizing how much the real opportunities actually pay you guys. The real opportunities give you substantially more than these other opportunities playing inside of these tiny ranges and just scalping. You guys don't want to be scalping. It's extremely, it's just, it's not mentally sustainable. You know, it's profitable if you're good at it. A lot of people are good at scalping. I'm not saying it's horrible because there's obviously lots of successful scalpers. But if you guys want to have a like decent time like mentally trading, I highly advise you guys just stay away from scalping and you guys get used to higher time frame trading. Even if you guys don't swing trade the entire level from level to level, even if you guys just get used to just playing off of the higher time frame levels and catching the real moves and the real breakouts. We know that price is getting bullish reaction off of this low here. So we know that when price breaks this low, price is going to have a good chance to go ahead and head down here. And that's going to be around a good 10 points when we go ahead and short this. So it's going to be a great trade on Google here. We're going to be looking out for. So I'm excited for that. Yeah, and you know, I'm the type of trader, I'll wait weeks. I'll wait weeks and months for a trade and keep stacking up bread. Make sure you guys are probably working a job if you have one in real life. Make sure you guys are grinding some business. Make sure you guys are really doing other things, because you need to understand that trading is kind of like a bow and arrow. You know, you're pulling it all the way back while you're just using all of your bread, and then you just boom, you're going to release, and then you could change your life in just really a set of trades, honestly. And that's how you want to be maneuvering with this. You don't want to be a machine gun in the trees, you know, shooting every single trade. Don't copyright me, YouTube. I mean, like, trades is a metaphor. Please don't copyright me. But still, like, you don't want to be like that. You want to be patient sniper in the trees. You see bullish price reaction off of this level back all the way up to all-time highs, and I did give out this breakout as well here for this level here. Um, so yeah, that was nice. Um, yeah, definitely a nice breakout here. So super duper sick. But yeah, so you guys don't want to be like, you know, just doing things that you just don't need to be doing, man. Just don't be cringe. Like, don't do cringe stuff. Like, just don't. Don't do cringe stuff, man. And like, get off of the charts. A lot of y'all are living on it. It's cool to live on it. I lived on it for a long time. And what, like, if you guys don't know what I mean by living on it here, if you guys are new to the stack mode community, like, living on it is like studying the charts like nonstop, like doing nothing but staring at the charts. And that's great, honestly, for a bit. Like, when you guys are first getting used to the charts and getting used to the flow and stuff like that, it's great to live on it. It really is. You know, it'll help you out a lot. But you guys want to be making sure that, you know, um, that you're not over trading. Get off. A lot of you are just blowing your accounts. We're gonna drop another video on how to stop blowing your accounts. But a lot of you are just blowing your account. You gotta cut it out. It's holding you back. You're resetting your life progress and you're not getting anywhere. How are you supposed to progress in your life when you're just blowing your account, man? Stop. Get off of the charts and set your alerts. Get with me for one-on-one mentorship. Link in the description below. The first call is going to be free. All right? And we'll see if you guys qualify for my program. I take it very serious. Each of my clients are definitely specialized. I've gotten tons of people funded, payouts, and profitable. It just makes me smile thinking about it. Not thinking about the money, but just thinking about the success I brought in my clients and people I've worked with in the past. So get with me, guys. We have proven results here. Um, I'm excited, man. Let's work, and get with me. Sign up. First call is gonna be free, and we'll talk about payments for the next call if you guys like my service. So it'll be like an intro call, and join my Discord as well. First day, I give a 1 day free trial for my signals as well. I give signals for fairly cheap as well, so check that out. Link in the description below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one, man. It's Stackmo Chris. Peace. I'm giving a 1 day free trial in my Stack Mode trading Discord for my exclusive signals. Here, I'm going to be giving entry and exit alerts, levels, and trade breakdowns for futures, options, as well as crypto traders. You guys can also purchase lifetime access to the signals, where you guys can pay once and have access to the signals forever. Here, you guys will also find a link for my one-on-one mentorship sign up, and let's discuss how to get the best entries, and let's chat about strategy, risk management, psychology, and figure out what's holding you back. I want to help you guys get profitable, and payments will be flexible. I'm working with all budgets for my mentorship. If you guys want to help get profitable, make sure you guys join my Discord, and inshallah, let's make some money on.